Hi children, today we are going to learn about shape. Everything we see in the world around us has a shape. A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary or outer surface. The shapes are divided into two types. There are plane shapes and solid shapes. Plane shapes is also called as 2D shape. Solid shape is also called as 3D shape. The example of plane shapes are square, triangle, rectangle. The example of solid shapes are cone, cube, cuboid, cylinder. Children, now let us know about 2D shapes. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. Let me see the 2D shapes one by one. This is a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E square. The square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides are equal. Look at these objects have the shape of a square. Clock, window, carom board. This is a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides are equal. Look at these objects have the shape of a rectangle. Scale, blackboard, door. This is a triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E triangle. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Look at these objects have the shape of a triangle. Banner, hanger, biscuit. This is a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E circle. The circle has no sides and no corners. Look at these objects have the shape of a circle. Wheel, button, bangles. This is a semicircle. S-E-M-I-C-I-R-C-L-E semicircle. A semicircle has 2 sides. One side is curved and the other side is straight. They have 2 corners. Look at these objects have a shape of a semicircle. Rainbow, watermelon, light lamp. This is an oval. O-V-A-L oval. An oval have 1 curved side and no corners. Look at these objects have the shape of an oval. Doormat, egg, mirror. This is diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D diamond. The diamond has 4 sides and 4 corners. Look at these objects have the shape of a diamond. Kite, earring, sweet. This is a star. S-T-A-R star. The star is polygon. It has multiple tip handle. Look at these objects have a shape of a star. Starfish, flower, star fruit. This is a heart. H-E-A-R-T heart. The heart have 2 curved sides and 1 corner. Look at these objects have a shape of a heart. Balloon, pillow, pendant. This is a pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N pentagon. The pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Look at these objects have the shape of a pentagon. Kennel, birdhouse, ring. This is hexagon. 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 The hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Look at these objects have the shape of a hexagon. Honeycomb, wristwatch, bolt nut. This is an octagon. 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 The octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. Look at these objects have the shape of an octagon. Box, weight stone, coin. Okay children, one more time you have to say the 2D shapes with me. Are you ready? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle, oval, diamond, heart, star, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Okay, now we know about the 2D shapes. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.